In this video, I want to share with you 4 tips of capturing the essence of a person and translating it into a visual piece of art, and my love for painting portraits. The process of creating a portrait is not just about replicating someone's appearance, but it's about capturing their essence and personality. As I put my brush to canvas, I feel a sense of connection with my subject that allows me to look into their character and bring it to life. Tip number 1, the importance of observation. In portrait painting, observation is key. It's essential to study your subject's facial features, expressions, and emotions. This will help you understand their personality and convey it through your artwork. Pay close attention to the eyes, as they often hold the key to a person's soul. Portrait painting has always been my passion, and I want to show you why. Through this video, you'll get a glimpse of my creative process, some of the techniques I use, and why I find portrait painting so rewarding. From the first stroke on the canvas to the final details, it's a journey that fills me with joy and satisfaction. Tip number 2, choosing the right colors. Color selection plays a crucial role in capturing the essence of your subject. Consider the mood you want to convey and choose colors that reflect that emotion. Don't be afraid to experiment with unconventional color combinations to create a unique and captivating portrait. Whether you're a painter yourself or simply appreciate the beauty of art, I'm sure you'll find something to enjoy in this video. If you're new to my art channel, welcome. I'm Vickie, and discover your creative side. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for upcoming art tutorials. Also, please leave a comment. I'd love to know your passions and any thoughts you'd like to share on my next video. Tip number 3, the power of brush strokes. Your brush strokes can make or break a portrait. Use them to add depth, texture, and movement to your painting. Vary the pressure, direction, and size of your brushstrokes to create a dynamic and lifelike representation of your subject. Tip number 4, capturing emotion. Emotion is the heart of a portrait. To truly capture the essence of a person, you must convey their emotions through your artwork. Observe their expressions, body language, and the atmosphere around them. Use these observations to infuse your painting with emotion and bring your subject to life. When I start a new portrait, I immerse myself in the person's story, their facial features, their emotions. I capture their personality, their uniqueness, their beauty. With every stroke of my brush, I try to bring out the essence, their spirit, their soul. I paint what I see, but also what I feel, and that is the beauty of portrait painting. Each portrait tells a story of a human being. Painting portraits is my passion. It gives me endless joy, a sense of accomplishment, and a way to touch people's lives. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more art tutorials and inspiration.